Hello, this is Keith All, and today we're going to be learning how we could create create selective focus on your subject to create like a shallow depth of field. So what that means is basically you're going to bring attention to your subject and make everything out of focus. So here's the original photo right here, and this is what's going to happen after we use the effects that we're going to learn about. And one of the effects is using the iris blur. So let's go over to our new document. Here's the original photo I already opened. And what you want to do is you want to Control J or Command J to duplicate the layer. And then once you have that selected, what you want to do is go up to Filter, Blur Gallery, and then Iris Blur. And that creates this ellipse over here. So these handles here on the outer ring is what we call the ellipse handles. And these handles in the inner portion is what we call feather. So you could rotate the pinpoint in the middle to create that surrounding area in focus or out of focus. So meaning what's not within this pin, everything else outer is gonna get blurred. And you could do that by using this rotating the radio around it. You could also have the same effect by coming over here to the right blur tools and selecting your blur using this slider. It does the same thing. Okay, so let's first of all, and also what you want to do is you want to drag this pinpoint over the area that you want to remain in focus. So let's now play with the feather handles and the ellipse handles here to create the feather that create the effect that we want. Now as we select one of them, you could see the distance between the feather handle and the ellipse handles, it gets out of focus. So if you want to change that, you could see it increases. Now the area between these two handles are now shallow or narrower, and it creates more focus on your subject. So again, you want to do it to the point where you get to the area that you want to create the effect that you want. Also too, you could drag these handles inward again. To create the effect that you want. You can rotate it however that you want. And also too, if you just want to move one of these handles, by selecting one of these directly, it changes all of them altogether. Now if you just want to move one of them, press down the Alt key, and I would say the Option key on Mac, and click and drag. See, it only moves one pinpoint. So again, that gives you more control over the focus that you want. Now if you want to create another focal point right here, just click where the pin is, and it creates another circle or ellipse. Now I want to create some, let's see, let's do this. Let's drag this inwards. You can rotate it like that, so that creates that. Now I want to create another pin. Again, I'm going to drag this in. Oops. Let's do this. Oop. There we go. Let's go back here. Let's create more focus on this. Drag this out. There we go. It just takes a little bit of time to adjust to get the effect that you want. Once you're happy with that, all you do is press OK. And there you have it. Now let's see what the original looks like. There's the original, and here's the effect of using the iris blur within Photoshop. Thanks again for stopping by today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. So whenever there's a new video I upload, you'll be first to be notified. Again, please like, share, and comment. And again, I thank you for your support. Have a great day.